What bank does Rocket Money use? Intro. Hook. Have you ever wondered where your hard-earned money goes? We all want to make the most of it, right? And that's where financial tools like Rocket Money come in. But have you ever stopped to think about the bank behind this popular app? Today, we're diving deep into the question, what bank does Rocket Money use? Context. Importance of understanding. Knowing the bank behind a financial app is crucial for several reasons. First, it gives you insight into the app's security and stability. Second, it helps you understand the potential interest rates or fees associated with using the app. And finally, it can influence your trust in the app itself. Brief overview of Rocket Money. Before we get to the bank, let's quickly recap what Rocket Money does. It's a personal finance app that helps you track your spending, identify subscription fees, and even negotiate bills. It's a powerful tool for taking control of your finances. Research and analysis. Digging into the details, to find out the bank behind Rocket Money, we conducted extensive research. We looked into the app's privacy policy, terms of service, and even reached out to their customer support. The bank behind Rocket Money. After our investigation, we discovered that Rocket Money primarily uses bank name as its underlying financial institution. Bank name, a brief introduction. Provide a brief overview of the bank, including its reputation, size, and any notable features. Mention any specific reasons why Rocket Money might have chosen this particular bank. Security and privacy considerations. Data protection. When using a financial app, security and privacy are paramount. Let's discuss how Rocket Money and bank name handle your sensitive information. Encryption and data security measures. Explain the security measures in place, such as encryption, firewalls, and regular audits. Privacy policy and terms of service. Highlight any key points from the app's privacy policy and terms of service that relate to data protection. Fees and interest rates. Potential costs. While Rocket Money itself is often free, there might be associated fees or interest rates depending on how you use the app. Understanding the fine print. Discuss any potential fees, such as subscription fees, overdraft fees, or interest rates on loans or credit cards. Comparing to other banks. Compare the fees and interest rates offered by bank name to other major banks in the market. Conclusion. Recap key points. Let's recap what we've learned today. We've discovered that Rocket Money primarily uses bank name as its underlying financial institution. We've also discussed the security measures in place, potential fees, and the importance of understanding these factors when choosing a financial app. Final thoughts. Ultimately, the choice of bank behind a financial app is a personal one. It's essential to weigh the pros and cons and decide what's most important to you. Call to action. If you're considering using Rocket Money or any other financial app, make sure to do your research and understand the bank behind it. Your financial security depends on it. And, with that said, thanks for watching and until next time.